Mario Mitchell when they rise, we are telling them we do it for the love and not do it for the likes. Mario Mitchell where the people them love, do it for the love and not do it for the likes.
Ease. Comrade chairman of the meeting, my friend and my brother, and second in command who I am cheering to make sure say he take over when I can retire from chairing meetings across the country. Councillor from Alligator Pond, TJ Robinson. Give him a round of applause, not true? He must come on as a good student. The next member of parliament from Manchester Central. Many of you think say many related, you know, but all Mitchells are related. Donovan Mitchell, Donovan for everyone. Come high, come low, nothing they do can stop the PMP victory in Central Manchester. Donovan Mitchell for everyone. A friend of mine who have always invested in my talent. One of the first minister who put me on a board. And similar to how I chair meeting all over Jamaica. Last time PMP in the government, I was on 5 government boards. Next time PMP, we know more upon 10 boards. Yeah. Comrade Isaac Buchanan. You know the minute when him get out cartel out of prison, me text him and say that the history that you create when you let cartel out of prison and when you come a conference, you are the speaker for the Bellefied Division conference. Me book him long time. Comrades on the head table, comrade councillors have to big up Richard Azan. Because similar to Comrade Paul, well, Comrade Richard Azan is one of my mentors, one of the hard-working people. Comrade councillors, comrade candidates, members of the Patriots, the YO, the women movements, and all. I see my friend Carlene from the executive right here. And Comrade Ann Bren, who hand over the baton to me, the former mayor and the former councillor of this noble division. I give my hat to you, Comrade Ann Bren, and thank you for your guidance and your protection as you move along. I don't want to say nothing much, you know, because I have my book right over this and I have my pen and I'm going to say nothing much. But all me I tell them, I want to big up Comrade Skengdang around this and the whole other team that is here. Comrades, I want to tell the people them that have the country running, the 49 misfits and the 49 people them, when my grandmother tell me, say, every liar is a, and every thief is a. So, last year the young people them say you must come down now. That was the talk last year. The young people them have a talk now where they say you must stop the capping. You have to stop the capping, Mumma roads, because nobody knows say you know do half of what you say you do. Take picture off of my place and put a picture and say things are done. Stop the capping. So whether you want to believe some of the nonsense what them say, the record of the People's National Party in the Bellefied Division is second to none, and I ask anybody to test that any day. Comrade Ramsey hand over the button to me. This school was built under PMP. When Comrade Ramsey was handing the button to me, we built the best primary school in the island up to today. The Bellefied Primary School. Go on up, they're going to look on it. PMP record. When you go over Bombay, another school, Zion Hill, rebuilt by the PMP again. And you have some people, you see me telling you this, for me not join lodge, nor not join church. I me speak nothing but the truth, so help me God. So anything in a Bellefield come under from UD Phillips was the councillor and Brent, to Beatrice Riggs as the councillor, to Cecil Stolz, to Junior Parkinson, to Brenda Ramsey, and to Mario Mitchell. Everything in the Bellefied Division is done by the People's National Party and no one else.
Rep.
So anybody we want cap, all me I tell you say, stop the capping because it's not working. Everything, every road we do up here. I have the record. I'm telling young councillors them already. In the last term, I started the second term 1 year ago. Nobody else in Jamaica. I did 13 brand new roads from dirt and stone and put in the Bellefied division. Make a guy come test. Make a girl come test. Stop the capping.
Rep.
No calling, me not talk about patch road. Me not talk about patch road. Me not talk about build a brand new road. So hear me now. Everything that is done in this division is done under the PMP banner. You talk about the clinic next door over there, so built by PMP. You talk about Bumby Clinic, built by PMP. You talk about Porous Clinic, built by PMP. There is not one thing in the 2 terms that the JLP have this constituency that they can claim is an achievement in the Bellefied division. Not a single one. Not one. Every single thing is done under the PMP. Comrade Paulwell, you will be there as you move forward. Comrade Donovan, Comrade Isaac. Them say when fire da must steal, them think a cool breeze. Just wait until the gentlemen, the comrades that you see here at the head table at the front desk. Wait till them reach in a parliament and the PMP form the government. You think you see work yet? You think you see work yet? Wait till Donovan reach. Wait till the PMP reach.
See them up in that town. How are the blood?
Stop. After me last year with everything we done got. The Prime Minister come up here with people. See me people them at the front. They say Shanique there so. When Shanique run him out of Bellefied, he come here and 3 laborers about Bellefied and Brent. And tell me say, can you give us this space for a day? I said, no. I am at my office. And this is Bellefied. This is PMP Square. And when he come and block up the place with a whole heap of people from all over Jamaica, them come at me with everything last year. And I tell them, one thing I can tell you, when the enemies came, all they do is stumble and fell. The Bellefied division will remain solid as a rock in the columns of the PMP. Last time, this time, and forevermore. I say nothing more because I want my comrade MP candidate to speak. And I want my guest speaker to speak with you. So comrades, I thank you for being here. The rain fall this evening. And I tell you, come rain. Yes, man, they may not say that. So, comrades, I thank you for the faith that you have placed in me. Time fly quickly when you're having fun. Can you believe that at 9 years now, Aunt Brain hand over the baton to me? Next year, at the conference next year, I'm celebrating my 10th anniversary as the counselor for this noble division. Wait until you see that day, conference day, next year.
We never give up, dog, now stop try. Have to get up, dog, no wait one time, banging line, you fuck.
So my comrades, I ask of you one thing. You see how you look this evening. It's not about the ray and the hype and the fun that we have in here. The Bellefied division is the solid rock and the bedrock of this constituency. We want a record amount of votes. That no matter what happen anywhere in the 3 divisions, when Bellefied backs them come down and burn like the old time days, any dog bark, anybody raise them head, when Bellefied come down off of the hill, everybody dead.
This morning, one back a shouting, firm and planted.
We are taking no prisoners. So we have a mission. We have a mission to return this PMP constituency of Winston Jones, of John Jr., of Peter Bunting, of U.D. Phillips, of Cecil Stulls, of Junior Farkas, and a lady who the people them talk about. There were 2 ladies when I came here at my final point, Anburn. When I was walking the hills of Bellefied, The people that look at me and say, we not no luck with man, you know. We not much luck with man. Because you have a Beatrice Riggs, God rest her soul, legendary counselor of the past, and comrade Aunt Brenda Ramsey, who is still here with us. And I say, I stand on the shoulders of giants who have sat there before me, and I remain humble, a servant of the people who will always be. Because Labour right dead, and me did it. PMP dead, and me did it. One thing you can say, all if me sick and don't feel like me want to go, the people of Bellefied can always remain firm and strong that Mario Mitchell will show up for them. Comrades, the word is love. PMP, PMP. My protege say, I want a minute for rest. He said, welcome to the show. It is my duty now to introduce to you a friend of mine, and many of you say we are family. But we are family. 25 years serving this party in every capacity that you can think of. The councillor for the Royal Flat Division since 1998. The mayor of Mandeville since 2016. Come high, come low, in a few weeks, in a few days, the member of parliament elect from Manchester Central. I say make welcome Donovan Mitchell.
Watch it. There are lots of signs in life, signs that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hey. Hold up your head, no Donovan. Be contrast, no Donovan. And by your works you should surely be paid. I never tried this to man with the under. Donovan Mitchell got the title. The one who sit higher, he looks down low. I never ever this to man with the younger. The one who's got the title. Then he be someone that he don't know. Say a prayer and chant a psalm. Prayer that keep the evil calm. You don't have to go to church and be a Christian to call and Donovan Mitchell name. Shout out the name Donovan in the valley. Shout out Donovan.
Check.